All right, today I have a Kia Telluride, and I'm going to show you how to change the different drive modes, such as economy mode, such as sport mode, such as normal mode, in this Kia Telluride for different terrains, different times of, I don't know what you want to change the drive mode for, but I'm gonna show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Kia Telluride. In order to change the drive mode, you can see right here, it is currently in Eco. It says it right here on the instrument panel. So when you change the drive modes, you'll be able to see exactly what drive mode it is right here. So it's on Eco right now. In order to change it, what I'm going to do is I am going to look towards the middle of the vehicle. Now the vehicle is currently on. All right, you see the vehicle is currently on. I'm going to go right here, and you see this right here? There is a knob right here. This is a knob right here. So what I'm going to do is I can turn it left or right, left or right, and it goes between different drive modes. And you're probably wondering, how do I know what drive mode I'm in? So look up here on the instrument panel again. You see this right here? I'm going to change the drive modes. It's right now, it's in smart drive mode. If I turn it once, it goes to eco. Another one, it goes to comfort. Another one, it goes to sport. Now, if I turn the knob back in the other direction, it goes from sport to comfort to eco, good for saving gas. Comfort is for a relaxing ride or a more comfortable ride. Sport is for acceleration. Right here, here it goes. Eco is for saving gas, and then smart. I'm not that smart to know what that is, but that's smart mode. But that is how you go between different drive modes in the Kia Telluride. See this drive mode knob right here. Hope this has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.